What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm just trying out a different microphone. Got the Purple Panda hooked up to the Hero 12. We're out here on Stormy today. Just got done putting KTM 200 EXC forks on the Hawk 250. Turned out really well. Figure we take this old girl for a rip. There'd be the sheriff. It's kind of windy today, so we'll see how the wind noise is on this microphone. Is it no, Purple Panda. Oh God, we got more cops in this town than I don't know what. I should follow him around and he'll be like, did you need something? No, you just follow everybody else around, so I figured I'd follow you. Cowie for sale. I probably should have swapped filters. There's another cop behind me. Good Lord.